To deposit funds on the Crypto.com exchange, start by logging into your account and navigating to the dashboard. Click on the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. You will be presented with a unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency. It is essential to use the correct deposit address to avoid losing your funds. Before initiating the deposit, ensure you have the necessary funds in your external wallet or exchange account. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. To initiate the deposit, copy the deposit address from the Crypto.com exchange and paste it into your external wallet or exchange account. Double-check that the address is correct and the network is compatible with the Crypto.com exchange. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. The deposit will be processed and reflected in your Crypto.com account once the necessary network confirmations are obtained. It is crucial to note that different cryptocurrencies have different network confirmation times. So be patient and wait for the deposit to be processed. Additionally, be aware of the minimum deposit requirements and any applicable fees associated with the deposit. To avoid any potential issues, always verify the deposit address and ensure you are using the correct network. By following these steps, you can successfully deposit funds on the Crypto.com exchange and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and use two-factor authentication to protect your account. If you encounter any issues during the deposit process, you can contact the Crypto.com support team for assistance. By understanding the deposit process and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a seamless and secure experience on the Crypto.com exchange.